Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we have another airdrop. This is Ditto Finance, and this is a very quick video because it will take you only 10 minutes to participate. We are going to cover what Ditto is, which is a liquid staking on Aptos platform. Aptos is recently in the market already. So we are going to go step by step how to get this airdrop. It's very quick and directly to the point. And again, doing all these steps, you can be participating for a new airdrop for Ditto Finance. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, like you know, the Aptos platform, the Aptos blockchain, the Aptos ecosystem is already live and quickly ranking in position 47. The token right now is below the $10 range, and for this video you will need to have some APT tokens. So in order to get this airdrop you need to buy some APT. I think with one or two you are already done. In fact, with one APT I will show you are already done. So it's $10 and you can buy it in many of these centralized exchanges. For some reason I couldn't withdraw the APT tokens from Binance, so I bought it in KuCoin. So if you have your KuCoin account, you can buy it there. You have links or refer links in the description if you don't have a KuCoin account. It's very easy to go because for some reason in Binance I cannot withdraw APT right now. So Ditto is a liquid staking solution built on Aptos, and we let users stake their Aptos tokens on earned yield and help contribute towards decentralizing the network while still remaining liquid. Why this airdrop could be important? Well, shout out to Mingo Airdrop. According to him, this is one of the first protocols to be launched on Aptos Mainnet. So that is the reason why I did this video right now. I think you still have a chance to get this airdrop, and the same for me. And because it's really to the point, I'm going to start now. So like I say, you need to buy your APT tokens in one of these centralized exchanges. And from there you are going to need, of course, your Aptos wallet. In my case, I am using Pontem Network, so you can go to Pontem.network and get your wallet there. In my case, it's a Chrome extension, so I am using that. And I bought some APT tokens on KuCoin and I send it to this address. This will be your address on this wallet. So I send it the APT tokens here. So like you can see, I have 2.3 APT tokens here. So now that you have your wallet and you have your APT tokens, this is very easy. So let's go into the tutorial. The first thing that we need to do is to go to dittofinance.io and launch the application. So go here, click on launch app, and this is your staking Ditto application. So what we want to do is first connect. I use Pontem like I show you. Confirm. Once you are connected, you will see that you have your balance here. If I put max, you will see that I have 2.2 APT tokens here. I only want to work with one, so I will stake actually only one APT token here. So you put one there and click stake APT, confirm everything, and you can see that the stake was success. And you can click here on the corner on the right side, in the upper right side, you can see the view in the Explorer. So you can see your transaction. This is mainnet, this is not any testnet, this is mainnet, so I am actually using real money. And this is explorer.aptoslabs.com, so you can see your transaction here. Click dismiss here. So the first step to stake it, work it. Now that you stake it, you need to go to stakedittofinance.io/rewards. And you need to stake a small amount of STAPT. And be careful, you won't be able to unstake before the Ditto launch. From the application, once we stake it that, we have now this STAPT. So we go to the link. Of course, all the links are in the descriptions. And here, if I put max, now you need to connect again with Pontem. And you can see that from the one that I have bought and I send it, now I have 0.9988. And from this, I'm going to stake only half of that, 0.5 STAPT token. Click stake, click confirm. And again, you can see your transaction in the view in the Explorer. So I will click dismiss. So that part is already done. Now we need to unstake your STAPT tokens. Keep a small amount staked. So from what we just staked, we are going to unstake some parts. So we click here on unstake. The maximum is 0.5, that is already staked. So I will unstake 0.3 and I leave 0.2 there. Click unstake, confirm. Transaction is done. It's very quickly, actually. It's working fantastically. So now we are going to transform again the unstaked STAPT into APT tokens, which is the last step here. Now I go back to Ditto Finance and I will unstake your STP that you stacked on the first task. And he put leave a small amount if you want. I would recommend you to do it just in case that you need to have something there. So now I will click here on unstake. The balance is 0.79, so I will unstake 0.5988. So I will just leave 0.2 there. This STAPT is a synthetic, so we are going to transform that into APT again. Click unstake, confirm, and just in a couple of seconds, unstake was successfully. So you successfully unstaked 0.5 STAPT, and I will receive 0.5 APT in my wallet. Dismiss this, and after doing that, he said to join to the Ditto Discord. I also would recommend you to do that. Just click here. This is the official link for Ditto Finance. You will need to accept the invite like in any other Discord channel, and you need to be verified here if it's your first time. I already verified my account, so I don't need to do that. And I would recommend you to keep an eye here on the announcements, because probably they are going to have a swap very soon and many other things. So I would recommend you to apply to the new things that appear here. So airdrops guide is not just that you do one thing and you forget about it. You need to keep an eye on that. You need to keep doing transactions until the airdrop happens. It's a job, guys. Don't take it lightly if you want to really get a lot of money in airdrops. So get into the Discord and be up to date with the news of this protocol. And that's it, guys. This is very directly to the point. This is all for the airdrop of Ditto Finance. Just use the two part of the applications for the staking and the rewards part. And that will be all, guys. Like always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in Twitter at CryptoState. And check in my videos, all the videos for airdrops that I have been doing. We have CK Sync airdrop that you still can apply to all of them. Arbitrum, we have Optimism, the new airdrop, the airdrop number 2, Starknet, and also yesterday Layer 0. This is a big one also, guys. PayPal is behind this with Coinbase and FTX. So many videos about airdrops, check all of them. You can apply to all of them right now because we don't have official information from any of these snapshots. So I recommend you to apply all of them. And tomorrow we have 3, which is an expected airdrop, so don't miss the video for tomorrow. And again, like the video and I will see you in the next video. Bye.